for the crimes. Is that not correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
For example, the triggers for jurisdiction. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
For example, Article 17. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
For example, the acceptance of the crime of aggression. 15,
That's correct, Your Honor.
15 bis, and the following. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor,
Yes.
because the Rome
So
Statute
there
is-
are provisions in the Rome Statute which were not included in Republic Act 9851. Is that not correct?
Yes, because they're not necessarily really,
So Republic Act 9851 was produced through deliberations in the House and the Senate, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And the House and the Senate did not produce the obligation on the part of the President to follow the rule on complementarity, gravity, office of the prosecutor, and the International Criminal Court,
I
correct?
disagree, Your Honor, because all over the law, Your Honor, you have
Show me.
those provisions, Your Honor.
Show me.
Well, Your Honor, let me refer the court, Your Honor, to...
Where is the provision on gravity? The requirement of gravity before prosecution.
Well, Your Honor, that is implicit in complementarity, Your Honor. And according to the...
Show me. In Article 17, it is very clear under Article 17, Section D.
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct, Your Honor.
What about in 9851?
Because, Your Honor,
So the House and the Senate agreed that only these parts of the International Criminal Court will be covered by domestic legislation, correct?
because, Your Honor, that's also at the heart
Can
of
you answer my
complementarity.
question? The House and the Senate agreed that only these parts of the Rome Statute would be part of domestic legislation, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
There is no commitment under the domestic legislation to bind future generations as to another layer of a court. Is that not correct?
Well, we disagree, Your Honor, because with respect, Your Honor, to implementing
Where
the
in the law
obligations-
does it say that the President should bind ourselves to a additional layer?
Your Honor, may I refer, Your Honor, for instance, to the age to interpretation provided for in Section
Okay,
15.
read it. Does it say International Criminal Court? Does it accept another court?
Your Honor, Section 15 says that applicability of international law in the application of an interpretation of this act. Philippine courts...
Interpretation of the act, which means the text must already be there.
It
Where
puts-
is the text which actually says that it recognizes or allows the